In this short video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook page name easily. Updating your Facebook page name is essential if you've rebranded your business, changed your content focus, or made a mistake in the name. However, Facebook has strict guidelines, and many users struggle to get their page names approved. But don't worry, I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure the success of your name change request. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. If this is your first time watching our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Now, let's get started on how to change your Facebook page name. To begin, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and log into your account. Tap on your profile picture at the top right. It could also look like 3 horizontal menu lines. From the options, select the page you want to rename on the shortcuts. If it's not there, select Pages, then tap on the particular page. You may be presented with an option to switch to the page as an admin. Tap to switch. Once switched, tap on your page photo in the top right or the menu. From the options, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Next, select Settings. Scroll down and click Page Setup. Tap Name. Here, you'll see your page name. To make changes, tap inside the name editor and update your page's name, then click Review Change at the bottom. Facebook will prompt you to review the name change you made. If you're sure, tap Submit for approval. When prompted, enter your password, then click Request Change. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now, let's continue with some extra tips to ensure your page name change is approved. Facebook may take a few hours or days to review and approve your request. If approved, your Facebook page name change will be updated automatically. If your request is denied, try making minor adjustments to the name or ensuring it matches your branding. If you don't see the option to edit your page's name, you may not have a page admin role or access that permits you to change your page's name. It could also mean that you or someone else with Facebook admin access recently changed your page's name, or there may be limits on your page. If you receive an error, the name change request might not meet Facebook's policies. Try shortening the name, removing special characters, or ensuring it reflects the purpose of the page. If your page is under Facebook Business Manager, you may need admin access to make changes. If you want to learn how to change your Facebook username, click this video right here. Also, to learn how to change your Facebook profile name, check out this video right here. To explore more Facebook video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.